I know why you clicked on this video. You're probably wondering what Google Tag Manager is and how it can help your company. Well, Google Tag Manager actually helps you track who is buying your products, who's submitting forms on your website, and how many links are being clicked by users. I'm Jake over at USDP, and today I'm going to show you a simple and easy tutorial on how to set up Google Tag Manager. So first things first, we're going to look at 3 tabs you should set up before we get fully into this. The first tab that we want is the Google Analytics 4 tab for your website. If you don't have that set up already, click on this link right here up above to get that set up. Secondly, we want Google Tag Manager. Make sure you sign in for your Gmail and this page should pop up. It may be blank for you, but since we're an ad company, we already have a bunch of clients on here already fully set up and linked to our company. Don't worry or fret if there's nothing on here for you. Third and finally, you're going to want to have your company website as the third tab. So the first thing that we are going to want to do is create an account in the Google Tag Manager tab. So press create account and then put in your company name here. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to put subscribe_USDP, put whatever country you're in right here, and then copy and paste your website link as well. So make sure only to get the www dot in there, not the HTTPS. So Command C. So after you copy and paste the URL of your business website in, you're going to want to select web. This also can track iOS and Android devices as well if you want to. So after you select all the necessary data, select create. I already created an account for this, so I'm just gonna skip over and hop on to the next part. And so your page doesn't pop up automatically. Make sure to select it up above in this search window and just search in whatever name you put for your company. So before we begin, I'm gonna explain what a tag is fully. Tags help you track all the precious information you want to know about who's on your website. And this specifically helps with who's clicking your button, how many people are selecting your links, and just overall sales and conversion data as well. And once you have all this information, you can essentially tailor your website to make it the best it can possibly be. The first thing we're going to do is select add a new tag. After that, we are going to jump back over to Google Analytics. From there, we're going to select admin from the bottom left-hand card. From our admin, we are going to select data streams. Select our data stream, and from here we will be copying our measurement ID to add to Google Tag Manager. We are going to return to our Google Tag Manager tab and click the tag configuration box and select GA4 configuration from the list. Here we will paste our measurement ID. Then we need to add a trigger. Click on the All Pages default trigger and hit save. Then rename your tag with the measurement ID numbers. Then hit save. So hopping back into it, we're going to want to press new tag, tag configuration, press GA4 event. I wouldn't go to Universal Analytics in this case just because Universal Analytics is shutting down in 2023, so might as well use the newest and most current analytics software possible. After clicking that, we are going to select the measurement ID we just configured in the drop-down section. And then we are going to name the event Facebook Link Click. Now we are going to create a trigger. A trigger tells the tag to fire when the specified event is detected. Name the trigger Facebook Link Click and select just links from the options. Make sure you select some link clicks because we're just tracking Facebook link clicks from our website. Then change page hostname to page URL, leave this as contains, and then type in Facebook in the last box. So the reason I put Facebook in this search value right here is for the linking. So to explain more in depth, I'm going to go back to our website, USDP, and scroll down to the bottom. And so if I hover over the F for Facebook right here, you'll see in the left corner that it gives the URL for our Facebook. And as you can see, it contains Facebook in the URL. And therefore, that's what Google Tag Manager tracks, is anything with the URL that has Facebook in it. Make sure to click Save and name the tag GA4 Facebook link click to help keep track of the tags you create. And then after that saves, I'm going to press Submit, Publish, and then I'm going to press Continue. And lastly, we are going to want to go back to the Analytics tab, go back down to Configure, and your event should pop up right here. Sometimes it takes 1 to 2 days just for Google to implement the software, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up right away. And as you can see, we already have different tags set up, such as page view, first visit, click, and so the event you just set up should pop there somewhere soon in the next 1 to 2 days. So after this super fun and engaging video about Google Tag Manager, I know you want to learn more about what analytics is. I know I talked about it initially in this video, but I know some of you don't even have that set up. So I would click on this video right here in that corner to get an easy and simple tutorial by yours truly. This has been Jake from USDP. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Does that feel a little bit too scripted? Well, today I'm going to show you an easy and simple tutorial on Google Tag Manager. I messed up tutorial.